Welcome back, guys. It's Chef Rudy here. Welcome back to all my subscribers and all who watched me before. If you're new here, welcome. And today we're gonna do something amazing. We're gonna do some stewed chicken, guys, with some rice and beans. As we say in Jamaica, rice and peas. So guys, get ready. We are cook some chicken with some rice and peas. Got my ingredients here. As you can see, I got my natural season, dry season rice. I got the chicken there. I got the peas on the stove with the coconut milk. And yes, guys, welcome. So we're just washing down the chicken with some lemon juice. All right, then we're gonna put the vinegar. And of course, you're gonna wash that down. Make sure you wash your meat, guys. Always have to wash your meat. I sliced up my chicken already, cut everything up. Nice and small pieces. You guys see that? Look at that bird. Nice. So I'm gonna add all my ingredients right now, as you can see. First, I'm gonna put my dry season. And guys, we're working with chicken today, so I'm making sure I put all my season first before I even mix that. I put my dry season in. This is my meat season. I'm gonna put some paprika. Nice and spicy. Some onion powder. And of course, we're gonna put salt. 1 teaspoon. Some black pepper. And don't forget the good old Grace browning. Because we're making today, guys, we're making brown stewed chicken, so you can't do without the Grace browning. And just about 1 tablespoon. Want it nice and brown. Okay, guys. Just taking some time to put my gloves on. We're dealing with chicken today, guys, so I want to make sure I got my gloves on. I like to use gloves when I'm doing chicken. We're just gonna rub up that meat. Look at that, guys. Nice and brown, nice and golden brown. And I'm gonna do my natural season now. I got some onion, I got some scotch bonnet pepper, I got some green pepper, bell pepper. I have some green onions. Got some tomatoes, green onions sometimes. So I'm just adding my natural seasoning right now, guys. More onions. I like to have a lot of nice natural seasoning in my food. More peppers. That I'll add later. That's my pot going good for my rice and beans. Guys, I'm gonna mix it up with my gloves on again. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. I'm gonna get some oil in the pot, get going. Today we are cooking, guys. We are cooking. Welcome to Rudy's Kitchen. Today we're using some olive oil and avocado oil combined. Get my stove light. We're ready to go, guys. You know I like to season my oil. Some allspice. We're just using this Scotch bonnet for flavor, guys. You don't want it burst inside there. Super hot. So I'm just gonna finish cut up my natural season while that gets hot. I also need to season my rice pot. I'm putting some natural season in the rice pot as well. I think this is good. We're gonna go for it, guys. Here we go. Let's get cooking, guys. All right, guys, she's looking good. Getting it nice and brown. I want to brown my chicken up a little bit before I cook it down. Let's see, I like to do mine. Looking good, guys, looking good. Got all my natural seasoning here. Got my rice on the stove. I'm getting there. We are cooking in style in Rudy Kitchen today, people. As you can see, guys, I'm just flipping them over, getting a nice color on each side. Doing a whole chicken. They get nice and brown. As you can see, we're halfway done with this one. So we're gonna just add it back to the pot. There you go, guys. Looking good. Looking good. We add a little ketchup to it. And then we got add on my natural seasoning. I know what's missing. No red. So there you go. A little bit more natural seasoning. Look at that. Looking beautiful, guys. Look at that. Look at that color. It's amazing. Gonna add some water. We're gonna allow that to do its thing. We're gonna let it cook down now. So there you have it, guys. For another 15 minutes, we should be good. Beautiful stewed chicken. Look at that. All right, guys, welcome back. We are ready to plate. Look at that. Look at my rice and peas there. And look at my lovely stewed chicken. There we go, guys. I had some potato to it also. And we are ready to plate. What is a stew without potatoes, right? There we have it, guys. Amazing. Some of that Jamaican rice and peas and stewed chicken ready to eat, guys. There you go. Time to eat. Enjoy. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for that like. We appreciate you guys. So enough respect, guys. Chef Rudy Kitchen here. Thanks for tuning in, and we love you. Big up Jamaica, big up the world. Respect.